So this is Shadrach. And Natalie and Shadrach have a history because Natalie and Shadrach used to work for the same company. And now, years later, Shadrach's in your bathroom.
Shadrach gave me a lot of grey hairs. That's what Shadrach did.
Good morning, it's a public holiday and we have a lot of things to do today because the bathroom is being renovated. But first, flapjacks. Oh, it's fun. Is it?
Pancakes.
Yep. You liking the pancakes? Daddy put banana in there for you because I know you don't like syrup. So beautiful people, sorry for the interruption. Please, if you are watching this on Facebook, go over to YouTube and click subscribe on my YouTube channel and also click the bell icon for notifications. The reason for that is that I don't want to lose all of you in case this web page, Facebook gets hacked or this account gets hacked or they disable my account for whatever reason. It's happening to my friends and I just don't want to lose all of you at the same time. So yeah, that's the whole story. Also, YouTube is completely free. I'll see you guys there. But also, see me here because I'm still gonna be here. I'm just saying in case. So we're at Builders, and Builders is a dangerous place because you buy things here you don't need. Can we just go in and get the paint and come out? You buy things. I bought a drill here once. I used it once in the last 6 years. Always here. But Natalie, why are you looking at plants again?
Because I want.
These plants want to live. You've never had plants that survived. People. 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 They used to have exercise on GMA saying, Goeiemorgen, South Africa. What?
This is something. That's 1899, 1009.
Okay. Car, look at 10 dice car. That's when you're selling tiles for top prices. One tile, 56 rand, 50 a tile. That's 10 dice living well. I'm glad I'm never going to see you again. Never ever again. You expensive. Go. Go fancy car. Sharp, ne? Thanks. I'm never coming back. Never. Not even for water. Fuck. I'm not coming back. Sharp, bruh. We're having lunch and we brought Ethan to play. Yeah. Play place. He threw a moose tantrum there in Boulder's warehouse because he wanted a trampoline. His mother had to drag him out of there like she was stealing it. It was very uncomfortable.
Very embarrassing.
Tantrums these days. He's dealing with tantrums
It's getting worse and
of
worse every day.
note.
I feel like I'm a bad mother.
I've never hit
Different from
Ethan.
the way that
I never hit. I do like, we don't believe in like hitting him because it doesn't
Yeah.
fix anything. But
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
my parents, my ma, die gat aan die brandweerland
My
binne.
pa.
Vier. Yeah, to sleep in the lounge for the week. Are you okay with that, Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. He loves that because here in our bedroom is gonna be dusty because that's the bedroom and the bathroom's here. So, hulle gaan kap.
Go small.
Is it your birthday month?
Yes, go. Let's go slide. Let's go squat. Let's go stein. Let's go fly. Let's go slide.
When you wanna go? For your birthday?
Yeah.
They're busy taking off the tiles from the bathroom and I've never seen someone so happy to hear tiles fall.
It's like this feeling of relief. Oh goodness,
Natalie
that
goes-
sound the whole day.
Natalie goes, the tiles are coming off. The tiles are coming off. This is Charles. Charles is nervous as hell. He doesn't like to be in front of a camera. And Natalie and Charles used to work together years ago. How many years? You know Charles now?
That's about 6 years ago.
Yeah, I think it's like
Well, anyway, Charles does all of our maintenance work at the house. Charles has been doing this. Charles and Natalie worked at the same business, and then Charles left and started his own business. And Charles does plumbing, building. Wat doen jy nie, Charles?
Well, basies ek fokus op plumbing.
Hy fokus op plumbing.
Maar ek renovate badkamers, kombuise.
Ek het jou al gesien op kombuis. Charles also did Natalie's sister's die kombuis gedoen.
Yes.
Ja, wel, Charlotte het al alles gedoen. But anyway, the long story short is, Charlotte, hoe gaan dinge hierso?
Nee, ons is half op trek. So ons kom.
Half, ampera. So
Amper,
like,
ja.
Charlotte had to gut the whole bathroom. Charles doing the whole thing from top to bottom. So yeah, this is day 2. Day 2 and Natalie is in a rush because she says, as for Kulbari and Hani, but tell what happened here today. They put in a trap.
Like what? Ek kan fokkels nie.
They put in a trap, they made the floor ready, they prepared the floor for the tiler to come, they prepared the walls for the tiler to come. So now it needs to dry before you can do anything. And then tomorrow, what ticklings? Impatient.